Another video, and today playing American farm in the game. We're gonna start a smaller farm that I've been playing for a little bit, for like pigs and stuff. So let's do that. Okay, right now we're harvesting corn. We're about, let's say, 20% full, but the tractor is good. And so yeah, harvesting along. The vines are just still out, but we're getting going. Right now we got the other planter tractor planting, and that one's harvesting. So now he's planting orchards. He's already planted before he starts his rows, because it's a little different in this game. Like, yeah, it's the first ever game with hired worker that does the outside tasks. So I would give him credit for that, like very much credit. And so yeah. Right now the combine is almost full, so we're just going to go to the other side of the field. It ain't a very big field because I just started on this map. We're trying to like make our money back on it from these hogs that I got. So yeah, I'll catch y'all whenever the combine gets full. Look at that, I must be really good at this. That's really cool. Go under the auger. And hit, yeah. Go under the auger and let's get unfilled. And we'll go feed this to the hogs right quick because they are out of game. This combine, I know it's pretty fast. So I'll catch y'all when we get down to the hog. Alright, so we're going into the first hog barn. This is the big barn. Over there we have the weaner pigs, and they already got some babies pigs. So I can show you over the hog barn here. Check out the outfit. So we already got some weaner pigs. And besides, they're already, I thought they were already babying again. But the babies are off the thing and they're probably weaned already. So I guess that's what happens with hogs. So maybe we can get some more grain off that load. So apparently it must have filled up the barn. They filled the barn. We should put in about half full. Yeah, we'll probably feed the other hogs next, since they are the hungriest. So let's see. I'm on the smallest, like the starter pig farm. I would do a bigger one, but if I do, I'd probably do cows so I could get the hay DLC, but I don't have it yet. If you don't know what the hay DLC looks like, just go check the squad's video, or just go here, go to the hay. That's all this in it, I guess. Well, dang, I didn't know. But you can get like this swather. It's a self-propelled swather, and then the header, and then this hay mower, the rear. This is a hay rake, but the one thing they don't have in here for the hay is tedding, and that's the thing that spreads it apart to make it turn into hay. And they got this mower rake. It's really decent, and they got the big square baler, ram baler, small square baler, and a hay rack. Yeah, maybe we can get an, yeah, we can get another full grain load. But we'll feed it to the mother pigs. They'll be alright. Let's park the tractor right here. Watching. It's doing pretty good for a higher worker on a game. And it doesn't take money. That's what makes me glad about that. It doesn't take my money away when we're having it like this. that's like a really big tractor since you start out with 30,000 on like a farm like this. And like smaller tractors that I'd probably buy in like farm sim, that's probably 30,000 in farm sim. So yeah, I'll catch you when we get done with the field. Alright guys, we're on last pass right now, and we'll feed the hogs. We'll feed the hogs with this last pass. I would put some more stuff in this. I don't think I put P&K on this yet. That's why I did today. At least I don't think I did. But we'll check in a minute after I get done with these smaller passes. So yeah. You gotta give these hard workers credit for only missing 3 little passes in the middle of this field. I know I probably should be doing this myself, but it's fun and all. Doing a little bit of hard working. At least you know it works. You don't want to do nothing else. Put the combine in the shed, and the next field it's ready to harvest. And get over. You go see how much more this planter gets to do. He's on his last pass. That's perfect. A little too perfect. To say myself. I planned that out perfectly. And gets done here. Should be done. So this intention is very well done. Stop that hard work for the first 15 minutes. Probably gonna get the disc out and start discing up that field. Yeah, rolling over. Alright, we're in the other tractor. We're about to go feed these other hogs. Go see if I don't know how much grain this one holds. I think it holds pretty much a lot. But I'm not sure since there's only 4 hogs in here. I think it does hold a lot since there's just 4 hogs in here. Let's just pull over here around the shed. Just pull up right here. I guess. Yep. Just like the other side. See how much feed they got. Okay, they're half full too, so it holds about the same, but a little less. So let's get that field disc. Alright, we got it back in the shed. We're gonna hook it to our disc here. I'm getting extremely lucky right now. I'm really surprised that this thing is actually working for once. Oh gosh. There we go. Yeah, we're getting it. Yeah, we're getting it. We'll get it unfolded. And we'll get the rolling. This is one of my favorite setups. 1206 with a pretty good sized disc on it. Pretty setup. Oh, I am a John Deere fan. It's my favorite looking tractor. It's the other one, not the short nose tractor. Hard work to get to this. And so we're gonna. I would like to end off the video right here, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one.